In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Woe unto the defrauders, those who when they take the measure from mankind demand it full, but if they measure unto them or weigh for them, they cause them less. Do such men not consider that they will be raised again unto an awful day, the day when all mankind stand before the Lord of the worlds? Nay, but the record of the while is in Sijjin. Ah, what will convey unto thee what Sijjin is? A written record. Woe unto the repudiators on that day, those who deny the day of judgment, which none denieth save each criminal transgressor, who when thou readest unto him our revelation saith, mere fables of the men of old. Nay, but that which they have earned is rust upon their hearts. Nay, but surely on that day they will be covered from the mercy of their Lord. Then lo, they verily will burn in hell. And it will be said unto them, this is that which ye used to deny. Nay, but the record of the righteous is in Illiyin. Ah, what will convey unto thee what Illiyin is? A written record, attested by those who are brought near unto their Lord. Lo, the righteous verily are in delight, on couches gazing. Thou wilt know in their faces the radiance of delight. They are given to drink of a pure wine sealed, whose seal is musk. For this let all those strive who strive for bliss, and mixed with water of tasneem, a spring whence those brought near to Allah drink. Lo, the guilty used to laugh at those who believed, and wink one to another when they passed them. And when they returned to their own folk, they returned jesting. And when they saw them, they said, Lo, these have gone astray. Yet they were not sent as guardians over them. This day it is those who believe who have the laugh of disbelievers, on high couches gazing. Are not the disbelievers paid for what they used to do?
تذكر يوما كنت تعانق دمعة الفكر تناجي الله في صبر وترجو رحمة تسري